In questions 7 through 10, the position of a particle moving along a straight line is given by s equals t cubed minus 6t squared plus 12t minus 8. Question 10 states the speed of a particle is decreasing for a. t greater than 2, b. t greater than 3, c. all t, d. t less than 1, or t greater than 2, or e. none of these. So to start this problem off, you would first need to know that the speed of a particle is decreasing when velocity and acceleration have opposite signs. To find this, we're going to want to take the derivative of the position function to find velocity. We can do that by doing a simple power rule. We find that velocity equals 3t squared minus 12t plus 12. We take the greatest common factor out of that. We get velocity equals 3 multiplied by t squared minus 4t plus 4. And then we can factor the trinomial, and we find that velocity equals 0 when t equals 2. Now, we can set up a sign graph for velocity knowing the 0, the 2, and then we have to plug in a number greater than 2 and less than 2. So I plugged in 1 and 3. When I plugged in 1 into the velocity equation, when I plugged in 1 for t into the velocity equation, I got v equals positive 3. And when I plugged in 3 for t into the velocity equation, I got velocity equals 3 again. Now, both of these were positive, so on both sides of the sign graph, is positive. We also need the sign graph acceleration. So to do that, we're going to take the derivative of velocity. When we do that, we find that acceleration equals 6t minus 12. We take the greatest common factor out, and we find acceleration equals 0 when t equals 2. Again, that is our main point for the sign graph is 2. We need to plug in a point less than that and a point greater than that to find the signs, positive or negative. When we plug in 1, we get acceleration equals negative 6. And when we plug in 3, we get acceleration equals positive 6. Now, we can look at both the sign graphs for velocity and acceleration, velocity on the left, acceleration on the right, and they have a different sign for t less than 2. Velocity has a positive sign, acceleration has a negative. So, judging by what I told you earlier, when speed is decreasing when velocity and acceleration have opposite signs, we can tell that the speed is decreasing for t less than 2 by looking at both of the sign graphs. We look at all the answers. We find it can't be A, B, C, or D, which leaves us E. So therefore the answer has to be E. None of these.